Let's see here. Where are we at today? That is the question. All right. So, the thing I'm going to do today is continue. Well, let's recap where we're at with a lot of this stuff, right? Because, yeah, a bunch of things have happened since the last time we were on here. So, that's what we're going to recap. I'm kind of wondering because I'm clicking through some stuff to get it wrapped up or whatever. Oh, and there's some crazy screens that just are not couth. One has my face so giant everywhere. Nobody wants to see that much of my face. Well, let's see, webcam. Huh. Yeah, I guess. Well, whatever. All right. Oh, there's new OBS features too. Oh, I'm gonna get tripped out. All right. So where we were last time. If I open up JetBrains Writer here, open up Chrome. What is trying to get up to date? Okay, that's great. So it's called Microsoft. No, it's called Azure Devops Server. And I dove into this a few days ago, trying to figure out how to get a build happening with this. So I'm going to dive in here, sign in with. Well, I can't see it, Writer, because there we go. Da, da, da. Are you gonna? I don't know what is the deal here. All right, so y'all are gonna look at this screen for just a second while I log in. Just bear with me here. This might take just a second because it is two-factor, so I have to go through the whole process. Oh, I gotta find my phone. Almost done here. All right, so so we're signed in now. And if I go to my account, I think, oh, this just shows the Azure. This is the part that's a little tricky. I don't want to download it. I just want to use it. Well, that's okay. That's pretty. Yeah, start for free. I just want to go in here. Yeah, Azure DevOps with GitHub. Still not a huge fan of that name, but that's where we are. It's just sitting there. Start, go. There we go. All right. All right, had to check chat there for a second. Okay, so this is the build that I started to set up a few days ago. I went in and I'll show you what I did real quick. So I went in, hit create project, name the project, something. Then I set it to be a public so that anybody can check it out. You should be able to go to this path and check out the thing. It's Git, basic work item process. Sounds great, blah, blah, blah. Got that started. There we go. So it created this project, and then I went in, added a repo that pointed to our GitHub repo, which go look at that real quick. And then I set a pipeline up over here. So I said new pipeline. Pipeline in this particular situation is just it's a build. That's all it is. So anyway, there isn't one here because I didn't set it up in this one just yet. But let's go back here and we'll just take a look at, so how do I delete this one? Actually, delete thing. Okay, delete this is probably going to be hard to find. Ah, there we go, retention. Ah, there we go, delete. Always hidden somewhere. Okay, now what we want to do is I'm going to bounce us to another screen here so you can see a little bit better. But bear with me just a second. I'm trying to get it to I did the wrong one. I'm trying to add the screen, the video capture that was on here before. It's not showing up. Ah, there we go. Okay. Oops. Ta-da! There, fixed it. Do I get a cookie? Okay, so that's working now. Bounce into Cassie schema migrator, and let's check this out. So here's the repo that I added. It's out here on GitHub, like I was saying. So if we go to Cassie schema migrator, there's that. Okay. And then, you know, it's got a good thorough history and everything. Shows the Git commits. Where are my commits in it? Okay, that's nice. Then pipelines go in here, and here's the build that I set up. So the build is, okay, it points at the Git repo. But let's see here. Dotnet SDK 1061. The project was restored using something, something. So it was restored using 1.0. But we don't even want that. The project is stored using 1.1. But with current settings, something, something. Control to follow to link. All right. Let's take a look at that build error. There we go. .NET Core self-contained application includes the .NET Core libraries and runtime. Starting at .NET Core 2.1 is self-contained. Okay. So basically it's a self-contained build application for deployment and everything. I'm not really sure what that has to do with the error. Yeah, let's look at this. Of course, something's on Stack Overflow. Woohoo! That's something on GitHub issues too. A microservice made in C# Web API .NET Core 2.0. So I have .NET Core 2.2 in this, and it's just a CLI. So it's basically like it would be building a microservice or something like that. Target latest runtime patch attribute. Oh, so let's or set runtime framework version and runtime identifier in CS Proj. Oh, okay. So let's go and take a look at those things. So in the project, let's open that up. What emails? Man, everybody's trying to get you to sign up to everything. I can only do so many things at one time. All right, there we go. Schema migrator. And I have the console, core lib, and core test. So, edit. Yeah, let's edit that. I want to see it. So this is just the solution file that has the various project files in it. So these are the ones that actually need to have that changed though. So let's go to edit the CS Proj file, target framework. What does this say again? This says to, how old is it to? Just August of last year. It says verse 21 would be used instead. Or set runtime for runtime identifier. I don't want the identifier. I just want framework version, really. Yeah, target latest runtime patch. Runtime version. If you bug workaround, please check more workarounds on the investigation issue. All right, we're going to look at that in a minute. But right now, we'll see if this works. Let's take this one, and we're going to add it to core lib. And we'll add it to core lib tests. I really don't know if the tests need it. Is packable. All right. So with that done, let's see where we get here. Okay. Git add. Adding target latest runtime patch to the property group in the CS Proj files. Okie dokie. Yeah, yes, no. Okay, so that's pushed. Now let's see if we get this. I don't know if this is going to update or how it triggers in the pipeline. So it's your builds. Oh, this is a. Is that going to get the? I don't know if this actually gets the changes because this is a. Yeah, this is a. Let's do an actual pipeline build. New build pipeline. And we're going to go from GitHub this time. Instead of local repo path, we'll get the GitHub path. Oh, probably need to, actually, let's change to HTTPS so it can just get it publicly. Azure Pipelines. Oh, geez. Yeah, sure. Have access to everything. We're going to do lots of building. Okay, clearly I don't know my password. Give me a second here. There we go. Okay. Select a repository. Okay. I'm going to go with that one. Yeah, we did that. So approve and install on your personal account. Yes. Please install this Azure thing. Oh, wow. Lots of verification going on here. Taking you to your Azure Devops. Okay, it is a .NET. Wait, run for a minimal pipeline. You can customize, build, and deploy your code. Let's go with this one, I think. Build a universal Windows platform project. No, it's not a desktop Windows. It's a CLI. So it should be that, but let's just go with a starter pipeline. Oh, I got to write this crap then. Okay, run script display name. Okay, no. How do I go back? I want to go back. Go back. Can I do this and cheat? Let's do ASP.NET Core. There we go. So VM image, Windows latest, solution file, CPU, NuGet tool installer, input, solution file, MS build args, platform, blah, blah, blah. So I guess that's passed on from whatever. So let's go with that and give it a try. Set up CI with Azure Pipelines. Let's do Cassie, schema, migrator, build. All right, and while that is, I guess we'll wait for it because it kind of makes it modal. An agent is ready for the job. Cool. Okay, so that's running. VS build, VS test. Checked it out. I don't even know what that just did. So version 2.152.1. Seems like everything that it did before. So maybe we're on the same path. Maybe we're on a new path. I'm not entirely sure. Except this definitely has the CS Proj changes to the configuration files or the CS Proj files that we just made. So hopefully that'll make it do the deed correctly. I kind of like this jump out. Follow tail, previous task, next task. That's pretty cool. And then it's got the little, like if you have more log, you can just drag it up and down. That's pretty sweet. There we go. Something's happening now. Let's go back over here. No, it blew up again. Same can occur if the runtime identifier property is set during build or publish, but not during restore. Okay, so it's doing it for each. Yeah, so each of the things is getting the error. So I got to fix. If I fix one error, it's going to fix them all. 2.2.3 would be used. Project. How do you? Right. So how do you set the restore so that that's not the case? All right, back in it. Bum bum ba-dum. Okay, so this mess didn't work. I'm gonna actually just get rid of that altogether. And then let's go back out here and take a look at, where did it go? Well, this has all this. So runtime identifiers, property to semicolon separated list of all RDs, target latest runtime patch. Oh, running restore as part of the publish operations may be done desirable for each scenario. To avoid restore during publish while creating self-contained applications, do the following. Set the runtime identifiers and set that. Okay, so so let's actually keep that and then add this runtime identifiers. Where is this? Where else is this mentioned? Oh. So as of February, runtime identifier is not needed anymore. Further, okay, well, let's go look at this. Runtime identifier no longer has a desired effect of prefetching runtime specific packages for self-contained deployments. Since the automatic patch version roll forward runtime identifiers would, for example, only fetch the 2.1.0 package, but when you do that thing, publish -r RID, then the roll forward kick in and newer patch version will be fetched. Live site contained data without having it change this. No, it doesn't build it. What happens is that NuGet collects your package reference and generates a graph for each restore target. Right, targets. If you add runtime identifiers in the mix, NuGet will create separate graphs for each RID. So you'll additionally get a blah thingy, for instance. Targets. No. Self-contained runtime for that thing. During the restore, this package will be downloaded. This may be beneficial, blah, blah, blah. Oh. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is... Open docs dot. Okay, so this should be what we were just looking at. It's pretty cool that the docs is connected to it that way. Yeah. Yep. Right, so let's go in here and let's add a comment and say, here from the docs per piece message that those docs need updated. After reading through this, I'm not entirely sure what needs to be changed if I'm getting following error, which redirects to this docs page. Well, that's not it. Let's go get that error and we can just give them that error. Okay, I don't always want that to happen. I wonder if I can turn that off. I want this to happen. Yeah, there we go. And then, let's see here, how do you... No, I don't want to do that. I just want to block quote it. There we go. Okay. Oh. Damn it, that's what I just did. There we go. Oh, that's right, it's chevron. (1061). That's like the Viking invasion of England. All right, so this one. Is that what I just looked at? Oh no, this is some old. This is actually more akin to my array. You need to set the same publish and building runtimes. Let's do this. Runtime frame version So target framework they're saying there. And then here, package reference update. I don't even have that in the thing. Oh, .NET, what are you doing? Oh, if you use Azure DevOps, don't edit project file. Use .NET restore instead of NuGet restore. Oh, let's go see if we can change that then. Because that's what that's doing. It's doing a NuGet restore, and I want to do not that. I want to do... So this is the old one. How do I delete this? Not that way. Oh, edit. Nope. But it's this. Yes, delete. Cassie schema migrator. Okay. So in this one, then delete build. Now let's edit. Hit master, and then here's what we need to do. Steps. Task vs build. Azure DevOps set YAML file stuff. That's what I need. Pipeline, stage A, job 1, job 2. Okay. Da-da-da-da-da. Containers, repositories. That's pretty slick. But what we need to do is we need to just run a thing here. That's triggers pull server, checkout, pull steps. I wonder if I can just do... Yeah, let's not do that. Let's do... Oh, maybe there's something over here. Build. Yeah, let's do this. NuGet push. No, restore. Path to project. Let's just do... solution like that. Feeds to use feeds I select here. Add feeds. Yeah, let's do that. Use packages from NuGet.org. I guess I don't know where else to get them from. There we go. Okay, so let's get rid of this. And then let's get rid of that too. Okay, so that's how you get this stuff done. Let's save that. Update. Yep, that looks good. Beautiful. Then, well, that wasn't what I wanted to do. I just want to start the build again. Oh, it started again. Okay, that's intelligent. So it should just pull it, right? Check out. Whatever that is. .NET Core CLI. So is it, okay. Derba, derba, derba. This is, well, let's do another build from scratch. Let's go new build pipeline. Let's go with GitHub. I'm going to do Cassie, schema migrator. Of course, CLI restore. Oh, did that just... Oh, it chose that based off of what it read in the thing. So let's see how that goes. Maybe it'll just build it. That would be beautiful if it did. I mean, it should be able to read it and just determine that type of thing, you would think. All right. So, okay, same thing. So why can't it determine where the files are? It's a standard solution file. Okay, so back to pipeline, to the build. This is the new one. This is the old one. Let's edit this. I'm just going to delete it for now. No. How do I edit it again? Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, that's the build. I want to do that. I want to do, yeah, delete this one. No, I have to do the whole thing. Projects, right? And solution. Puts. Oh, maybe it just needs to be this. The archive files, Android signing. Oh, that's pretty cool. Tempted to just do a batch build. Still SHHQ. npm ms build. Okay, well that looks fine and dandy. So in the meantime, how do I change my... So that sends me in here. I want to change the name of it though. I'll rename. There we go. Oh, I wonder if this will... Duration 13 seconds. Keeps saying the same crap. Okay. What did this other message say about this? Build project, team validations. I have one project that is under, and I'm using this, but I'm not sure about the path. This path or not. Please, you help me. Well, that's useless. Path to project. For TFC, you should specify the project path as below for .NET Core task. Assume your TFC repo folder structure is like that. And get sources step, if you leave the local map path empty, you should specify the path to project as that thing. This is pretty ridiculous. This should not take this much work. How do you, let's hear. Set up build on Azure Devops for .NET Core CLI. Create your first pipeline. All right. Yep. Okay, let's do this. We're going to do this one. So this is their pipelines.NET Core. So it has a CS Proj right here. Oh, do I need to do a build for each Proj? That would be kind of weird. Let's do Azure DevOps build for solution file. Yeah, that's what I want. After the build word. If you use script, you do it after the build word. Okay. To use task for the build pipeline.NET Core YAML build task, you specify the file and the inputs. Okay, well I have that. Okay. Actually, what did theirs look like? Huh. Yeah, let's do another one. Let's do .NET Core build. I don't know what the path is. I guess it's... Or should I do that? It's because it's a solution build, right? Didn't burn it. There we go. I don't know what that even means. Variable solution is this thing. Is it even? Oh, okay, it's used right here. Oh, that's nice. Case sensitivity is, I guess, irrelevant. Trigger is master. Let's do that. See where we get to. Oh, there's an old one that started. I started 2. Okay, everything works. This is skipped because this doesn't happen, I guess. Oh, let's rename these steps. I don't like this. Ah, there we go. Oh, I guess this is... Can I rename that? No, it looks like it's going to flake out. if I toss the restore, what happens then? Did not find expected key. Adrian, Cassie, schema, migrator. All right, new pipeline. Let's look at this for a second. So it's saying do this for a build. Oh, maybe I actually need to do a VS build because it's a solution, not an individual. Oh, that. So let's do this. All right, let's just run what it has here. Updated pipeline. Not sure what that just did. Didn't I delete that one and then go do this? Oh, weird. Okay. Well, let's do no deployments were found for this build. Whatever. NEC PVU. Is there a visual? Let's look down here. Visual Studio Test. Visual Studio Test platform installer. Yeah, let's see what this does. Solution. Studio version, sure. Visual Studio 2019 MS build arguments. Oh, that. Ow. Shit. Sure, let's do that. Let's see what happens. Oh, I clearly didn't put that in a good place. Why is that not? It's not working. All right, let's get this straightened out. Try that again. Don't need any of that, don't need that. I do want to restore NuGet packages. Whatever, we'll do that. Architecture, record project details, yes. And then save. What is it going to say? There's the squiggly line. So is that actually an error? Is it an error? I don't know. Run. Yeah, I don't know what to do. This is not working very good. So I don't really want to do this. I want to do. Yeah, this is what we want to do right here. Maybe Push, don't want push, don't want custom. Can I not build a CLI with the .NET Core? That might be the problem. Oh wait, optional. The path for the CS Proj files to use. You can use wildcards. That means all CS Proj and all subfolders. Yeah, let's do that. Why not, right? I mean, kind of want to build all of them. Let's do a restore first. Path to projects. Well, this is where I think I'm getting messed up here because use packages from this Azure Artifacts TFX feed. I don't know if that's for feed outside this organization collection. Okay, we're gonna leave that. Use packages from. Let's do that too, and then local cache, destination directory, verbosity. Sure, that sounds great. And then does this work? CS Proj, maybe. It's not validated either. Okay, leave, build. Yeah, let's do new pipeline, GitHub, Cassie. Go pipeline. Restore NuGet packages. Okay, let's do false. Let's see what happens. Oh, criminy. Okay. I don't know what VM image even is. That's so annoying. NuGet push, pack, publish, restore. Restore. It's got to be restore. Just do a restore. This is pretty bad. Okay. Multi Azure DevOps build multiple projects. Maybe I should just do we're going to try that. Just do a script. Oh, that ain't going to work. Let's do, well. Command line. No. Configuring a build pipeline on Azure DevOps for ASP.NET Core API. Yep, nope. create a pipeline. Whatever get, so ASP.NET Core. Okay, let's do it for 1 then. So tools task. Oh man. So we could just do this, and then we do Cassie, right? And then restore select. So all that says is restore. That's what this build comes with. This is pissing me off so bad. So that should break, right? That's what I just ran. That's the code. That's what it puts in there. A minute ago, though, I pointed it at the thing, and it says it's a freaking solution file thing. So GitHub, Cassie. Yeah, Cassie schema migrator. And then, yeah, what the flippin' hell? Sure, save and run. Yeah, I don't have any idea what the hell it's doing. We're just going to run long, though, because I'm going to figure this out. No test. No, nothing there. Okay, so that. Let's go back to this one. Let's edit this puppy. Yeah, okay, I guess it is doing that. I guess I'm just tripping out. All I want is restore. Oh, yeah, and I want to do... what the heck is it? It's... Let's do Cassie core lib. Cassie core lib / Azure.cs Proj. Let's do this. Task dot net core CLI at 2 inputs command restore. Then let's do projects. What does it say? Do this dot this. Oops, CS Proj in the docs. Something like that, right? It's right up here in the. Oh, do this for all the ones in the subfolders. And then feeds to use. Does that even need to be there? I don't know. Why is it an invalid YAML structure? So we're going to take this and let it put it in there. So we're going to do .NET Core. We're going to do a restore. We're going to do path to projects. And it's still not the right thing. All right, well, what is in this damn thing? It failed to load. Oh, because it's got this. Oh, because of that. Let's get rid of this. And let's get rid of it here. Let's try it again from that point of view. Maybe that's causing confusion to the build. So git status, git add, git commit, changing back for the build. Oh, int pull. Yeah, sure. I'll have the pipeline build in here now. That's cute. Okay. Read me. We're going to close that for now. Let it restart. Go back into here. Well, that should have triggered one, right? What is this green stuff? Come on, stop focusing. Oh, it did nothing there. That's why that one worked. Hey, at least we get a successful build of nothing. All right, I got to get rid of some of these. Okay, there we go. Oops. Open that back up. It's just still not. What is going on here? The responsiveness of this thing is not very good sometimes. Oh, there it goes. Because I just had to click on it 10 times. Oh. Default. So, where are we at here? So, yeah, there we go, a little music in the background. I'm sitting here pondering existence. Okay, so we got this all here, and if let's actually do a build here. Just want to do a build. Okay, so build succeeded. There, ran the console. So it probably is, since I'm using JetBrains Writer, it probably needs core lib, or I mean Visual Studio Build. So let's do that route one more time. And I just want to see what it says again. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do this, edit. And what do we got in here? Got restore all the CS Proj files. Let's do this. Let's do the actual name. So Cassie core lib slash, and then I guess the file would be called cassiecorelib.csproj. Okay. Oh, did that just auto? Oh, it doesn't know. It can't know. But then it's all squiggly up there. It's gonna error out on something probably. Let's do this. Let's go down. And we'll try. Try the Visual Studio on it. Visual Studio build. Sure, latest sounds great. Do the solution. Let's build arguments none. Platform. All, I guess. And let's not get the new Git packages right now. Ah, it freaking craps out. Invalid YAML structure. Alright, so let's just do this crap. We're going to do this one. So let's build a new build. Leave. Here, new build pipeline. It says what? Oh, it's GitHub, so we could just do the GitHub, right? And I need to fork it first, so we'll fork it. .NET Core console project Azure Devops build. Anyway, okay, we're gonna fork this to here. So this is a web one though. I don't want a web one. I don't even want to build a web one. If I'm gonna do web stuff, I'm gonna do it with Node or something else. I don't want all this cruft. So where? I wonder. I want that updated because I don't want. Yeah, I don't want Windows. Wait, let's not save it yet. Knock that out. So here though. This is one Proj file. Sign into Azure Pipelines. After you sign in, your browser goes to blah and displays the thing. Configure. Oh, so here's the you need for your project. Does that still need to be there? I don't even know. Feeds to use config. Let's do this. Let's do this. So we'll do, let's paste that in, and then we're going to go over here though, and we're going to say this store, and then path to project. Let's just do this, and we'll put in the one in a minute. So feeds to use, feeds I select in my config. So let's do NuGet.config. Root of the repository. Okay. So then this should probably be not that. Because where is... There is no NuGet files in any of these, I bet. Yeah, there's no... Let's do this. Yeah. External feed. Oh, I keep missing the stupid steps is what I do. Steps. There we go. So it'd be restore, CS Proj, select, or config, VSTS feeds. Let's try that. Save, run. Then pending that doesn't build. How do you do, let's do this. So .NET build solution file, right? That is a thing you can do. .NET build solution, yeah. So let's go over in my thing here and actually do a build that way. just to see. .NET build. No. .NET build. Cassie schema. Let's try that. Let's do a script and try that. Run a Windows command or bat script and optionally allow it to change the environment. I'm going to do that. Just going to easy on bash. Let's do bash. I don't know the script. Oh no, I don't want to do that. I want to run. Okay. So, stuff. And then it's Cassie schema migrator.sln. Starting build. Actually, let's just do that. Save. Adding a script to try to run a script. Let's try another build with that, and let's take out this. No? Oh, I need steps still, that's right. Just run the .NET build. Okay, so now we got 3 of these suckers running. Oh, the other one's still running. Trace listener .NET Core command line pending. Okay. This one, bash exited with code 2. Unexpected in the file. Oh. Okay, so it all failed. Let's try this. And actually, let's try 1804. Set up for build on Linux with .NET build solution file. Okay, we'll just go back to 16 then. Don't want to fight with that right now. Oh, what? What? Okay, so the script builds. Okay. Okay, we have a good build that's working on Linux. Robert Tables is off on the road. So I'm just checking Twitter to verify the stuff while I'm doing it. All right, so we got, this one's good. Yeah, build's good. Okay. So I don't really see the point of. So, well, let's check. Let's try this out. Let's get edit in here, and then we are going to add. What are we going to add? We're going to add. Oh, let's do another script. Actually, let's do this task. Command line 2, right? Yeah. And then inputs, script. We're gonna do .NET restore. Let's see if that works. Let's test out the command. .NET restore Cassie schema migrator solution. Nice. Okay. So it should work for that too. Cassie schema migrator dot solution. Adding the restoration to the process. Okay, there we go. And then come on, build. Show victory. So restore succeeded. How do you fix the... Can I do this? No. Can I do name? Oops. Restore. ID of the task instance. Huh? Oh, weird. Let's try to run that. Testing name property. Okay. Can I do a... There was somewhere I saw... Somewhere there was get a badge. Ah, that's it. Okay. So let's go make our stuff fancier. Let's give it a name. Okay. Restoring dependencies for Cassie schema migrator. No? Oh, I have to do... Yeah? Oh, there we go. That's kind of crap. Actually, let's just call it this. Let's call it build and restore. Adding more intelligent names to the steps. Let the other one build. All right. So now clear. There's the README. All right. Now what we want to do is get the actual build in there. So this, add to my favorites. Yeah, it's gonna be one of my favorites. Here, but it was here somewhere. Add to team favorites. Clone status badge. That's what I want. Yeah. All right. Boom. Holy crap! Oh, that's huge. That's cool though. Adding a badge, a build badge. All right. Azure Pipelines, that's cool looking. Alright, so that should be A. Oh, that's a sign from... That's pretty freaking weird, actually. Restore and build. Did I actually case them that way? Or is it just being weird about that too? Yeah, it did not. Let's do that though. Build. Restore. Save. Casing the names of the steps. Why am I getting it? Oh, I see. That's weird. Here, just cancel build. copy and then back over here, and that other one should start. Yeah. So why am I getting double builds for every... Yeah, that's what happened. Manual build for Adrian Hall. Oh, because I'm... Yeah. Let's see what's happening. So this is when I click the button, even though there's one back there building. There should be a notification that says a build has started. That's pretty confusing, actually. So that one's nixed. That one's running. All right. And this, I'm going to actually get rid of this one here because pipeline stats failed fork. And I probably need to figure it out, actually, but new file folder. No, I don't want that. I want to remove the repo. Add a project description. I don't want to add a project description. How did I... What the heck just happened? Well, whatever. Okay, so pipeline, let's go back to that. What's our build status? All right. So the casing for the names is done. Restores lowercase though. Whatever. All right. So let's go back out to GitHub here. And we should have, ta-da! Build pipeline succeeded. And it shoots us over here. So let's actually log out of this. Sign out, and then get that out of here. And then we're gonna go over to GitHub, and let's see what it happens when we actually swing in there without an authenticated account. Right? Right, come on. There we go. So I actually want to log out here too. Sign out. And then... Gracious. Take longer. Okay. I'm still kind of tripped out though. Like, why doesn't the other features work as easily? Doesn't really make any sense. It's kind of standard stuff I've always had issues with .NET. The builds are a little weird about that. I mean, Java's the same way. Shouldn't complain, but all right. So we got all that in there, and what? I log back in? No, log out. Okay, close all browsers windows. Oh, I should have stayed logged in and just used Firefox. Yeah, alright, so here we go. Should probably add one to just build and run the console or something, because of test verification stuff. Okay, so that looks good. And if we go over here, yeah, exactly what we want to see. Okay, so builds, releases, got no, what? Oh, okay. I was gonna say that's kind of it's a weird button to see at that stage in the game. Now, come on, go all the way back. Yeah, releases, pipeline. Okay, so releases, builds. And then what about repos? Repos. I think I made it public, yeah. Download as zip. Okay. And boards. Yeah, no board action. Overview. Pipeline is 33% succeeded. I don't even know what would be there. I don't have access to a wiki. You are correct. Thank you. Whew. Okay. So we ran over a good 30 minutes there, but we got it working finally. with the script versus the other task step, the .NET or the VS Studio one, whatever it was. So with that, gonna wrap it up for today. I want to thank anybody and everybody that came out and gave a look-see at what we've been building. Overall, kind of made some good progress. It wasn't large amounts of progress because I stumbled through that build, but you know, that's how it goes sometimes. So with that, everyone had a good one, and I'll catch you on the next C# hour, and maybe, C# hour in 30 minutes. Cheerio.
Just kidding. Just kidding.